Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm in Discord private, and I'm going to be showing my automatic cheese sandwich generator. We press it, we start waiting. It's quite complex.
He wants grilled cheese. Bro, what is the coincidence?
Yeah, what in the coincidence? Because this machine's about to make a grilled cheese for him. Hold him back!
The beast is out!
And the bread comes. We wait. It does that. And comes right to me. So that's it for today's video. Bye!
Give it to me.